Hello friends, welcome to the CAD Power tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from Design Sense. Today we are going to learn about another powerful command of the CAD Power, which is the cp_move back command. This is very important command. This command basically used for change the location of the backup file. So let's start with this command. We have various methods for apply this command. First method is from the CAD Power menu bar. We need to click here and now you can see we have the option miscellaneous. And in the miscellaneous we have the file management, and here you can find the move.bak file to a folder. This is our command, so we can apply this command from here. Also we can apply this command from the ribbon bar. In the ribbon bar we need to select the CAD Power tab. In the CAD Power tab, here is the miscellaneous panel. We need to click on this drop down and here is the move.bak file to a folder. From here we can also apply this command. And also we can apply this command from the shortcut command, which is the cp_move back. I am going to apply this command from the shortcut command cp_move back, enter. So after applying this command, this window will pop up. Here you can see we have the default location of our backup file. So we can change this location to our desired location. Whenever we save the new drawing, then a backup file will be created and that backup file location we can change from here. So we need to click on the .bak folder. So I am going to change the location of the backup file to the desktop. So I need to click on the desktop and here you can see a folder BricsCAD back. I am going to select this folder and then OK. Now you can see we have the new location for the backup file, which is the desktop BricsCAD back. When we save this drawing, then a backup file automatically create in this folder. Okay. Why it is so important? Because if by chance our drawing file is crashed, then we can recover it from the backup file. And if we don't know the backup file location, then we need to search everywhere and spend the lot of time to search that file. So we can change the folder location of the backup file from here. So now next option is the leave a copy of the .bak file at the existing location. If backup file is already created in somewhere else, then it will keep a copy in that existing folder. Also it will create a copy of the backup file in the new location. So I am going to click here and then OK. So now in the command prompt you can see it's keep a backup file in the old location and also it's create a copy of the backup file in the new location. You can check this folder. Now you can see we have a backup file in this new location. Like this we can change the default location of the backup file. Now next option is the copy auto saved version also if available. What is use of this option? When the drawing is automatically saved, then it will create a auto saved version of the drawing file with a different format whose extension is the .sv$. When we enable this option, it will create the copy of that file also in the same location where our .bak file will be stored. Okay. Also we can change the backup file location from the drawing setting. We can open the drawing setting through the shortcut command, which is the cp_dwg set. Also we can open the drawing setting from the BricsCAD plus menu bar. In this we have the spot and here you can see the drawing setting. We can click here for open the drawing setting. In this drawing setting we have the option .bak file management. From here we can change the location of the backup file. For changing the location of the backup file from here we need to click here. Then we need to select this option and from here we can change the location of the backup folder. And here you can see we have the option create crashed dump file. So what is the difference between the dump file and the backup file? Backup file will create when we save the drawing and dump file will create when the software is crashed. Also from the backup file we can easily recover the drawing, but from the dump file we need to send it to the BricsCAD support team. They will recover the drawing file from the dump file. For creating the crash dump file, we need to click here. So this is the main difference between the dump file and backup file. Okay friends, like this we can use the move back for changing the location of the backup file. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our videos and share it with your colleagues. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.